Want to turn off the SFX volume in One Piece Bounty Rush but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to turn off the SFX volume in One Piece Bounty Rush. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Options. Now choose Sound, which is at the top of the screen. Now you can adjust the SFX volume by sliding the button towards plus or minus sign. But if you want to turn it off, then slide the button towards the minus sign. And that's how you can turn off the SFX volume in One Piece Bounty Rush. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.